Greetings of the day. Welcome to this video. We'll be discussing some of the best practices conducted by the faculties of the District Institute of Education and Training, Balasore. Today, we'll focus on 3 key initiatives: Learning Outcomes Based TLM Workshop for FLN grades. Each one teach one. My toys are my lesson. First, let's talk about the Learning Outcomes Based TLM Workshop. This was organized across various blocks in the Balasore district, bringing together skillful teachers to create effective TLMs specifically for FLN grades. The main objectives of this workshop were to prepare TLMs based on specific learning outcomes for FLN grades, providing a clear roadmap for both teaching and learning. Ensure the effective transaction of lessons using appropriate TLMs to achieve the learning outcomes. Share TLMs across all blocks to spread different cultural values. Address the diverse needs of students to achieve learning outcomes. To reach these objectives, several steps were taken. We selected 25 expert teachers from each block to participate in the workshop. Each teacher developed 14 sets of TLMs based on different learning outcomes and sub-themes. The sub-themes included local songs, folk tales, riddles, lullabies, and locally made toys and puppets. After developing the TLMs, they were exchanged among different blocks to ensure wide dissemination. We have also prepared TLM books and books of contents like local songs, local story, lullaby, fun, folk tales, riddles, etc. Now, let's look into some insights from the TLM workshop conducted in different blocks. Moving on to our second initiative, Each One Teach One. This concept focuses on peer learning, where individuals take responsibility for teaching others a concept or skill they have mastered. It's a powerful method that enhances both academic and interpersonal skills among students. The objectives of this initiative are to enhance peer-to-peer learning by encouraging participants to share their knowledge and skills, foster collaboration and peer interaction, which improves social and communication skills, distribute teaching responsibility, thus reducing the teacher's workload. To implement these initiatives, block coordinators oriented the CRCCs and headmasters of different blocks on the Each One Teach One concept. During classroom observations, block coordinators monitored the activities under this initiative to ensure effective implementation. Let's now take a closer look at how Each One Teach One is being implemented in classrooms. initiative, My Toys My Lesson, is a classroom activity where students use toys to create and deliver their own lessons. The objectives of this activity are to make teachers efficient in using toys during the teaching-learning process, promote hands-on activities, fostering active participation and a deeper understanding of the subject matter, encourage students to creatively use their toys to teach concepts, develop students' communication skills for presenting information. To reach these objectives, block coordinators oriented the CRCCs and headmasters on the My Toys My Lesson concept. During classroom observations, block coordinators monitored the activities under this initiative to ensure effective implementation. Now, let's delve into how My Toys My Lesson is being implemented in classrooms.
I would like to be a tiger. I would like to be a monkey and roam the jungle deep and climb the tree.
In conclusion, these initiatives in Balasore have succeeded due to the hard work of our coordinators and the positive feedback from teachers and students. They have made learning more engaging and effective, leading to higher student achievement than traditional methods.